Hi children, how are you? Hope you're good and well. Eat healthy foods, play well. Okay, let us enter into the video. Before that, a new word, gleam, 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 meaning shine brightly. Storage of water. We already know the several uses of water in our home. We use water for drinking, cooking, bathing, cleaning, washing our clothes, and watering the plants. So, for these activities, we need water. So, what we have to do? We have to store the water. We all store water in our homes for later use. Water is mainly stored in buckets. So we use buckets for bathing and we used to store the water in the buckets. And some people will use earthen containers like mud pots for storing the water. They will store the water in the mud pots. Some people are using plastic containers, plastic pots for storing the water. They used to store the water in the plastic container for daily use. And also now in our homes we are using both the plastic containers and earthen pots. So the plastic containers like buckets, water bottles are used for storing small amount of water. Big tanks are used to store large amount of water. So we use large containers for large amount of water and small containers for small amount of water. Dear children, using plastic is not appreciated, so we can use containers which are made of silver, copper and muddy pots. So the large amount of water will be stored using large containers which are made of plastics. Even can water, this can will store 25 liters of water. This big containers, plastic containers will store 100 and more than 100 liters of water. So my dear children, another important thing is we have to close the container which we store the water in it and we have to use it. So germs or any dirty things will not enter the container. Dear children, we should not waste water. Water is a precious natural resource, so we should not waste water. We can store the water, mainly the rainwater, and we can use it for watering the plants and we can use it for some other purposes also like agriculture or farming. So we should not waste the rainwater. We have to store the rainwater. So thank you children. These are the storing water. Thank you.